Namo Himalaya, everyone. Manifesting Miracles events are the best event that someone can watch and attend in his life or her life. It's a life-changing event that teaches us how we have everything we want and we deserve to have everything we want in our lives. We can manifest miracles, we can have abundance. And Master Sri Akasna is show us how to do this, how to manifest our dreams, how to manifest miracles. He gives so much information, advice, knowledge about having this awareness and clarity and understanding everything much better. Understand our reality, understand any other things we need and use for us to have a life of abundance. I wish everyone can attend, but everyone attend Manifesting Miracles event. Don't lose this opportunity. It's truly, really for you. I wish everyone I know who attends this event. It's so life-changing event. It's a great event. Life-changing, really. For the better, for the good, for the best for us, for our family, for everyone we know, for everyone who might don't know, and be able to help and share. Thank you so much, Master Sri Akasna. I'm so happy and grateful to be in this community. So grateful to attend these events. It was really life-changing. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you. Namaste.